Boom. $858,000 right there, just like that, guys. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today, DJK Temper and I came back with another glitch. Make sure you guys subscribe because this one's a throwback. This one's definitely a throwback. But guys, the arena glitch is back. We had found a way to bypass it spawning you outside. So if you guys have been having that problem like us, him and I literally just found, what was it, an hour ago? Something like that. And this is after the casino update. As you can see, we are here in front of the casino. So we're going to show you guys how to do this. Let's get into it. So guys, to start off this glitch, you are going to want to enter the casino. Because the main premise of this is we're trying to glitch ourselves out so that it doesn't spawn us outside. So I'll show you guys how we're going to do this. There is a little bit of a timing involved, but you can mess it up as much as you want and just keep retrying it. This is the first step of the glitch, so it's not like later on where you're going to have to wait and redo it. So what you're going to do is you want to make your way into an invite-only session and then invite your friends, so it's just you and him in a party. And then what you're going to do is you're going to pull up your contacts, and you can call a job from anyone. It can be, as long as it brings up a job that'll spawn you close. Simeon is always that's the one I always do, but you could use anyone. So what you're going to do is you're going to request a job from Simeon. Wait for it to show up. And you guys should have saw when him and I hit this glitch, we weren't even sure if it was gonna work or not, and we hit it and it was insane. We were so happy. So what you guys do is you're gonna bring up the job. If it's 1 to 4, you want to try to get one where it's 1 to 2. You can do it with 1 to 4, but it's kind of hard. You just want to have it like 1 to 2 players. It's kind of confusing, but you'll see why. So I'm just gonna load. I'll just load this one up just to show you guys. So what you're gonna do is you have it on verification menu. You're gonna walk up to the elevator, and this is an Xbox glitch. I'm not sure if you could really transfer this over to PS4. You can if you want. I just don't know how you'd really do it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold down the 3 lines button, and it'll bring up. That's what brings up the options menu. What you're gonna do is you're gonna release, and as you release, you want to hit A so that you accept the job, but then you have the options menu come up. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna release and hit A, and as you can see, the options menu is up, and I also joined the job. But I'm in front of the elevator, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit B to back out of this menu, and I'm going to spam A to go into the elevator. Just like that, see? Now my screen is completely glitched, and you'll see it flutter black, and it'll go to black right now. Just like that, as you guys saw. So now we have completely glitched out our character, and all you want to do is back out of the job. Just like this, and I'm pretty sure we're glitched out, guys. I'm pretty sure our character's glitched out AF. Alright, and as you guys can see, your map in the bottom left is pretty much broken. And the reason that we thought this would work is the whole premise of the arena glitch is that it knows where you are. Like, it knows, like, it wants to spawn you outside of the arena. But right now, technically, we're still in the casino. Like, right now, I am on the road. And as you guys can see, I'm still inside of the casino. And you can't see where I am directly. So, what you're going to do now is you're going to drive down to your arena, and I'll catch up with you guys when I get down there. So guys, we're rolling up on the arena right now. You can request a personal vehicle if you want to. It's up to you. It doesn't really matter. I just grabbed my deluxe so I can get here a little bit quicker. So yeah, your map should still be glitched out. If somehow your map... Dance for me. Alright, so what you guys are going to do is you're going to get out of your car, and you're going to enter into your arena. And you'll know if you do this right, if your arena just completely glitches the F out. Just watch. Right here. Boom. If you see this, you know you're in the right area. Like, you know you've done it right. This is how we know the game's broken. So you spawn your arena, hopefully with your friends. If they don't get brought in when you hit enter with friends, just invite them through the interaction menu. Oh, disband that. So now, of course, I have one elegy in here. Oh well. Kane, are you in here? Okay. So what you guys are gonna do is you're going to get into your LJ, enter it into the mod shop. You will have to have the Benny's worker inside of your arena workshop, and you guys will see why in a little bit. So what your friend's going to do is you want to exit the vehicle, just like this, and wait for your friend to go into Titan of a job, as you guys see here in a few seconds. And he'll disappear just like that. You're going to enter into your LG once he disappears, modify, go down to sell, and just wait on the verification screen just like this. Once you see that, you want to join your friend either through the options menu. I always just go through Xbox just like this and join his game directly. Sorry, your last name's out there, Caden.
Oh shit.
Do you want me to blur that out or no?
Now you're good.
Okay. So now what you're going to do is while you're just waiting to join, you'll see that. And once you see the alert, you're going to tell your friend to leave the session.
Alright, I left.
And then once he tells you that, you guys want to count to 10 or just wait a little bit so that it won't kick you into the session. You want to make sure you get another alert saying you can't join. So I've waited probably about enough time. And the way that this glitch works is right now the sell screen is still on the elegy behind this alert. So what you want to do is double tap A fast so you accept this alert, sell the elegy, and then you're going to get another alert. So you guys will see, just like that. And now see, technically I just sold my elegy. And then once you hear you back out of the clouds, you just want to hit A again. And if you guys have tried this glitch before, normally it spawns you outside, right? Boom! We be in the arena still, just like this. Alright, now we're going to head into the arena workshop.
What's it going to be?
And then once you get here, you want to go to Benny's upgrade. Click it once. Do not actually pay for it. Just wait on the verification screen for about 7 seconds or roughly. And once you've done this, you want to hit B, 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 and hit exit workshop. And ready for this? Boom. $858,000 right there, just like that, guys. It is that easy. Oh, excuse me. It is that easy. It is that easy. We be rich up in here. We be rich up in here. So if you guys did like this video, we did make this video, so if you guys could give us a little bit of credit, that'd be great. Down in the comments section, let me know what you think. If you guys want to add me on Xbox, my gamer tag is gamereckless _YT. If I have time, I can help you guys out with some glitches, answer any questions. And every time I upload a video, I respond to every comment I get for the last 30 seconds. I can't talk right now, guys. Look at this. It is 5:30 in the morning. We've been up all night trying to find glitches. I'm sorry for my stutterization, but yeah, I respond to 30. I respond to comments every 30 minutes after a video is uploaded. So if you guys want to have any one-on-one talk or me answer any of your guys' questions, just hit me up. Make sure you hit that bell notification icon. What is this man doing? What is this man doing? So thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. It's gonna be a fat minute before this is patched.
A fat minute, bro.
Yeah, they're gonna have to grind because the new card just came out tonight, so they're not gonna have another update for a little bit.
Yeah, we literally just fucking found this out, bro. Like right when the new update came out. That's fucking crazy.
Yeah.
We're not telling anyone. It's just me and you. Besides, like the internet.
Everyone on YouTube, yeah.
Boy.
So it seems legit. Yeah, seems legit. You know, a lot of my friends are subscribed, so I think that they're gonna know. Paul and Dakota are subscribed.
Fuck. We're not gonna help them. It's just
We're not gonna help them.
What can I do? What are
Tell
we
me when you're
doing
in.
then?
I feel like I'm gonna hit the sell limit.
Alright.
Oh, no way. I haven't hit the sell limit yet. Once you leave, go right to the spot.
Alright.
This is crazy how we found this. Oh my. I just got so many notifications. I gotta let all them go away for a bit. Guess I paid all my utility bills and stuff because those came up too. Get this shit right. Oh, put up. No, are you serious?
It won't stay up forever. It like likes to go down for some reason.
That's good. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Perfect.